Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn what are variables in JavaScript. So variables are the named storage that are used to store some kind of data. Let us see how to use variables. So here I am using let keyword and giving the name of variable user. So if you see here, let is the keyword and user is the name of the variable. So now I will assign a value to a variable. So how we do that? We can assign it using assignment operator, and here I'm giving value Shivani to the variable. If I try to access variable name using user and see what it gives. So you can see here Shivani is printed by accessing the user variable. So there is another keyword called const. So I have given variable name message to const and write any message. So this is another variable message. What is the difference between user and message here? So there are different keywords used here, let and const. So const variables are not reassignable. So you can't reassign the variables that are declared with const, but you can reassign the variables that are declared with let keyword. So suppose I try to give a different value to user. Here, if I try to access user variable again and comment this one, now let's see what is the result. Here the user variable is reassigned and it's giving Anmol as a result. But guys, keep in mind you can't reassign message because it is using keyword const. So if I try to reassign message, let's see what happens now. So you can see it is highlighted and it's giving some error called attempting to override message, which is constant, which means you can't change this variable. So this is the difference between let and const, and this is how we use variables. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.